So what did you learn today? Let's go back and review everything you learned today. We reviewed our vocabulary words. We have greater than means larger. Less than means smaller. We have less than symbol. We have greater than symbol. Then we have equal to. Equal to meant the same as, and there is the symbol for equals. Equal to means the same as. Then we showed 115 and 119 with our base 10 blocks. We showed them in expanded form. We wrote greater than or less than in the blank, and then we used the symbol for greater than or less than in the circle between the two numbers. At least I hope you did. Now you did the same thing with 117 and 107. You showed it with your base 10 blocks. Then you showed the numbers with expanded form. Then you wrote greater or less, or used the symbol greater than or less than. Then you're going to watch a video from below and turn in your assignment. So that is what you did today. I hope you remember everything that you learned today. It was so important. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.